Dream cars.
This is our future project. This is my 1977 Chrysler Cordoba, currently at my shop. It's going to get resto-modded. A resto mod is a car that's restored and modified, not to its original condition, but to a modified state. This car is going to get a small block Chrysler, and in the future probably turbo cams, 2 turbochargers, and large duration camshaft, ported heads, dual exhaust, turbo headers, and everything needed to make this car produce 1,000 horsepower at least. It's going to have a fully computerized small block, either a Magnum engine or a LA series small block Chrysler. The interior of this car, of course, you've heard of the 70s commercials. It had Corinthian leather. I'm actually going to put real Corinthian leather in this car, just to make everybody wonder, oh my god, it's like driving inside of a couch in a living room. That's exactly what it's going to feel like. Pure Corinthian cowhide is what it's going to get, and also the dash is going to get modified with digital display and customized steering wheel, and also the panels will be customized as well. Customized floor console shifter and customized parts. I use AI to build me a race-inspired version of this car. It includes rear spoiler, front air dam, 24-inch rims in the rear, 22-inch rims in the front, and also includes this black midnight black paint job with 10 coats of clear. Also will include low profile tires and LED lights all the way around. Hopefully you guys will see this project completely done and its beautiful customized interior, which will be in orange leather, by the way. Orange leather looks great with black paint. And it's going to get a replica Coyote Duster 440 6-pack engine package. Hope you enjoy the show. Thank you for watching.